Alright, so these are the lens for the TSX projectors. What I'm doing is I have the TSX-R clear lens, so I'm going to put that on, replace it with these the stock ones. So the projector glass is held in by this metal shield around here. Is that what you call it? What you're gonna have to do is release this clip from that tab. So what I find easiest to do is push this down while you're prying this clip up. So push down and pry this up. Just put some force into it. There it goes. And it's out. See that? Seems to be stuck somewhere. There it goes. So that's out. Set that aside. And there's your projector. Glass lens. So this is the factory one. Straight. And the clear lens. So you're just going to replace it back in there. Fit in there just like the factory one did. There's a clip down here as well. You're going to put the groove in here first. Like that. Come around here. You're just going to push this down. Should. There you go, you hear a click. It's in. Now it's got the clear lens, TSX-R clear lens. It's just a flashlight.